2025 Toyota GR Corolla Track Drive Review. Can an 8-speed automatic be awesome? I test the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla with its new 8-speed automatic transmission on the track. Recently, I was invited to attend a drive event featuring the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla with its new, optional, 8-speed automatic transmission. Toyota gave us access to the historic Charlotte Motor Speedway, with a custom road course to sample the new hot hatch 2025 Toyota GR Corolla. The 2025 Lexus RZ has a much lower starting price than the outgoing model. The 2025 Lexus RZ has a much lower starting price than the outgoing model. Watch more. What's new? Equipped with a new 8-speed Gazoo Racing Auto with paddle shifters, subtle changes had to be made to accommodate the new powertrain. Larger front and side openings were needed for the automatic's cooler. In addition, an optional second cooler has access to cool air as well. Both the 6-speed manual and the 8-speed automatic get a bump from the turbocharger 1.63-cylinder engine. It still makes 301 horsepower, but now it makes 295 pound-feet of torque. Driving the GR Corolla automatic in anger. 4 things make any GR Corolla completely unique from its soft brethren. Power, suspension, grip and looks give the GR Corolla the cash of something special. On the track, it proved itself worthy of the Gazoo Racing badge. Normal mode, the power is doled out 60% front and 40% rear. Makes sense for daily driving. Travel, rally mode. There's a 50-50 split of power fore and aft. Makes sense on gravel and whatnot. What I lived in was track, with 30% of the power up front and 70% behind. Man, thing hauls the mail. A hint of turbo lag when you stomp on it at low RPM. However, if you keep it on full boil, it's just a little beastie. It growls like a pygmy pit bull through its 2 exhaust pipes and center resonator. Clicking off gear shifts on its own, you're bending light in no time. Hitting 60 miles per hour in a hair under 5 seconds, the grip is extraordinary. It sticks to the tarmac like highway roadkill adheres, despite being pecked at. It's amazing. The McPherson strut front and double wishbone rear are beefed up throughout. Spring rates, dampeners and sway control benefit from stiffer, stronger components too. The end result allows ham-fisted drivers like me to drive aggressively, feel the road, make corrections and blast out of corners. It's like I knew what I was doing. Extremely rewarding and, obviously, easier to drive, especially with the automatic. In all its awesomeness, it's not perfect. At 6 feet 1 inch, I was rather uncomfortable wearing a helmet. For me, I couldn't look left as the roof and upper pillar got in the way. Without the helmet, say headroom was mediocre at best. Seat legroom is woefully inadequate, leaving competitors from Honda and Subaru with a more comfortable passenger cabin overall. The interior build quality is just fine, but only the seats, steering wheel and some instrumentation felt special. It's still a Corolla, no matter how awesome the flares. 18-inch wheels and sticky rubber tires look. Toyota says the base price is $38,860. I sincerely doubt most consumers will find any under $43,000. Realistically, if you got a 2025 Toyota GR Corolla Premium Plus with the $2,000 automatic transmission option, you're looking at nearly $50,000. Final thoughts. Despite its imperfections, the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla is one of my favorite cars to drive. I truly enjoy driving the 6-speed manual, and, despite the extra 45 pounds of weight, speed feels just as lively. This will help sell one of the more fun and frivolous vehicles you can buy. Exactly why it's so good.